So I started in Sora generating this image using GPT-4o. You could do this in ChatGPT just as easily with the same prompt. So here's the prompt at the bottom. I'm just going to bring it up on the screen, but I will put it in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Now there are various versions of these kind of blister packs going around at the moment, but this is one I sort of did the prompt from scratch just to make it the best quality, or what I believe is the best quality one out there at the moment. So feel free to use that. So once I generated that, I wanted to animate it, but animating it within Sora just didn't give me the results I wanted. So I actually went to use Kling 1.6. Now I don't have an account with Kling directly, so I use replicate.com, which allows you to register with their site and then sort of ad hoc use lots of AI services on a pay-as-you-go kind of deal, which is pretty handy. So I just used the Kling 1.6 image to video through Replicate. So as you can see, my image reference on the left here was the image I just created in Sora. And the prompt I did was actually not what ended up working. So the prompt I did was a hand picks up the object as the cat heads look around. My initial idea was that a hand would come in and pick up the pack and sort of like be inspecting it. And then I just did sort of left the typical default settings and then put duration to 10. But what I actually got was a hand, what you'll see here. See, this is the output from, this is the initial video from Kling. So this hand comes over, which is actually smaller in scale than I thought, but kind of makes sense. And then it's like stroking and booping the little kittens there. And so once I had that video, I saved that down, and that's a 720p video. Then I took it into Topaz Video AI, which I haven't recorded the process of, but it's super quick. And I just upscaled the video to 1080p, and that's how we got this.